It's preferable to duplicate the cost and work on the duplicate. Then select Generate Guide. The undercut direction will be detected automatically unless you want to change this option. You can also adjust the offset according to the manufacturer instructions. Then start selecting the seating area. You can change the brush size using the mouse scroll. You can reverse selection by pressing Ctrl while marking the area. To check the guide, hide the cost with blocked undercuts and show the original one. Then use the cropping tool to cut excess parts. By choosing the lasso tool, you can add points, edit their positions, or delete them by clicking on the point while pressing Ctrl button. After you finish the selection, press on Delete button or apply cropping. To create a channel for the excess glue around the sleeve, select Glue Hole and move the dot around the sleeve area and press Delete on the keyboard or apply Glue Hole. To generate timing marks on the guide, select the implant. Hold on Ctrl button and select the guide. This will activate the timing tool. Adjust it according to the vendor's recommendations, then press Delete or apply timing. You can also add inspection windows using the cropping tool. Finally, stamp the guide to mark it. Export the guide and the cost by selecting each and selecting Export icon, or using right-click and select Export. Now your guide is ready for printing.